Hold up. Okay. Okay. What are we supposed to say?
This is Jared's car broke down on the side of 26.
Yeah. It is 10:55 and we were supposed to meet at 10:15 and I'm already pissed because I haven't had fucking power all day.
And I bought a gas can and put a gallon of gas into the gas can.
Not to mention I drove in a do not enter lane for like half a mile.
And I forgot my chapstick at home. I just realized.
And oh my god, our cups are too large to fit into my cup holders. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. This night is horrible. It's a mess.
This night has
It's
already
not
started
supposed to
out.
happen.
This night has already started out horrible.
I'm probably gonna get kicked out of Scandals as soon as I walk in. And I will be pissed.
I hope y'all can see Jared in the video.
Hey, we still have 5 minutes. I don't know. How do you zoom in? I don't know how to zoom in. I don't think it zooms in. This is too funny. Look at him trying to close it. He don't even know how to close it.
He's trying to open it.
I thought that was a cop. What are we supposed to do? What are we going to say? I bet you it's not going to...
I'm nervous to get out, but